Prototype, and we drive with them all over the street and in the off-road also. And on this prototype tour we work with them. So we have a 6-cylinder 3-liter BMW engine in lane with 285 horsepower inside and the torque moment from 450. We have a ZF 8-gear automatic Wandler, a gearbox, and we can close with the center look in high range, also in low range we can close it. In this vehicle we have only center differential look inside. The front differential look and the rear differential look are finished from the test, and in this moment not relevant for the next kilometers. We have it inside, but it's not connected. So these buttons are all for the daily business, for heating, for radio, seat heating, climate, all of them what you need when you drive daily. When you go in the off-road, we play on the roof. So this button is the first one what we need. This button is for off-road. When we go in the off-road area, we push this button.
So it's an off-road mode?
No, it's off-road mode, yes. It's off-road mode. You push it on and we have no assist systems. We don't have a lane assist, blind mirror spot, no, it's nothing working. Only working traction control, and ABS will be changed to off-road ABS. We have a longer time for the blocking phase when we go in the brakes with the off-road ABS. We can brake and steering on gravel. So
can I turn off the lane systems and front assistant, things like that?
Yes, you can work with this one.
Yeah.
No problem. But when you go in the off-road, we switch it off, and with this button you change also the wait a moment. Okay. We change also the engine management when we go in the off-road. Okay. So now we close the center diff lock in high range. Now it's closed. We have 50-50 in front and rear now. Okay. So now you can feel the suspension, how it works. You feel well? Yeah. I think what the suspension can't work, we work with the Recaro seats. You feel well? It's really fine. So, when you go into the water, you push this button. This button, when you go into the water, push this button. The front, the radiator in front will be stopped. He can't clutch into the water. He can't, can go into the cooling system, stopping, and we think the water comes, cool the engine, cool the gearbox, and we can go into the water of 80 centimeters. Standard, okay? So we always in high range, center differential look.
It's quite quiet.
Quiet.
It's quiet, the car.
It's cool, huh? Handmade, Austrian handmade. So now we change to low range. Okay. You feel the gears, but you can't feel how to change the gears now. I think we have the first or the fifth inside. I remember we have only center differential look. No diff look in front or rear.
Axles.
And traction control is on?
No.
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 It's automatically for low range, isn't it?
Low range.
Yeah.
Low range also, yes. So, and when you switch on this differential look on the rear side, all will gone. No ABS, no traction control, only the torque, only the gears, only what you can drive in the off-road. You and the car will be alone. And you feel smooth working the gearbox. So a little bit more on the accelerator. You can feel how changing the gears in this moment.
It's something like 5 Series BMW on highway.
Yes. Some guys say it's better than the original. So, and now we can also switch to the manual gearbox. Go to this side, and I know it's the first one inside. Okay. So, it's very slippery.
It will be more adventurous.
Yeah, it's adventurous, cool. I love it. Boom, boom, boom. So
cool. And now without braking.
No brakes, no braking now in this moment, no braking. And we have the difference from the high range to the low range is 1 to 2.5. Okay? High range to low range 1 to 2.5. That's cool. Yeah. And they have a lot of power in the first gear and also a lot of engine brake moment in the first gear. So we're going to drive. No cameras, no movies.
Okay.